so excited to have this space for our patients.
I feel a newness. It's pretty exciting.
It's just such a beautiful place to work now.
It is amazing to see the transformation of the space.
It's beautiful, it's spacious.
Growing from a small community hospital to a regional health system.
Myself and colleagues were able to really handpick the equipment that we wanted, and it's all, in our terms, you know, it'd be like a car enthusiast getting to pick out Maserati or whatever it would be. I mean, it's all the things that we've wanted to have, and will really help provide the best care for our patients in a much more efficient way.
Spaces are designed around patient care. So as we've thought through these spaces for both the labor and delivery and the postpartum, we've had a whole team of nurses, of physicians, of architects, and of women sitting down and being like, okay, what do women need when they're in labor?
I get to round on babies in those rooms, and there are siblings around and family members. There's plenty of room for everybody. There's plenty of room for me to get to the baby without asking anybody to move out of the way.
Employees already have a wonderful morale, but to come to work in a place that's nice and new is going to, I think, even improve the morale even more. The patients are going to feel that. They're going to feel the energy, and it leads to better healing.
In our last hospital, the ICU was broken up into 2 separate units, and there was very little distinction about which patients went into one unit or the other unit, and that meant that us providers were running around taking care of patients on multiple floors. And so one thing I'm really excited about is everything is consolidated. And so we have one big unit with several nurses stations. Every provider, every nurse, everybody taking care of a critical care patient is sort of in the same place. For me, that does increase collaboration, communication, and working together to take care of all of our patients.
Old space was functional but outdated, and this new space is just bright, it's modern, it's aesthetically pleasing. I think everyone just has a sense of comfort when they walk into the space.